If you're looking to eliminate belly fat from the comfort of your home, this guide highlights 5 straightforward exercises that can help you achieve a flatter stomach within a month. Make sure to stick around for the 5th exercise. It truly is transformative. Number 1. Ab crunches. Ab crunches are highly effective in strengthening your abdominal muscles, specifically targeting the rectus abdominis. There are different variations, such as bicycle crunches that engage the oblique and transverse abdominal muscles, and reverse crunches that focus on the lower abs. Regularly practicing crunches not only improves the strength of your abs, but also helps them become more defined and sculpted. Since crunches activate multiple muscle groups, they increase calorie expenditure, facilitating fat loss. How to perform. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your abdominal muscles and lift your torso about 10 to 15 centimeters off the ground while rounding your back towards your knees. Hold this position for 1 to 2 seconds before slowly lowering yourself back down. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Number 2. Plank. The plank is a simple yet powerful exercise that engages all muscle groups simultaneously. It is a static exercise that highlights holding a position rather than doing numerous reps. It effectively reinforces not only the core but also the back, glutes, calves, and arms, promoting better posture and endurance. It's particularly beneficial for those with a passive lifestyle, helping to relieve chronic lower back pain by reinforcing weak core muscles. How to perform. Begin by lying on your elbows, ensuring that your elbows are aligned at right angles beneath your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Keep your legs straight and core tight. Maintain this position for 30 to 60 seconds, completing 3 sets. Number 3. Mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise targets the lower body and abs while also aiding in burning off subcutaneous fat. It places considerable stress on the abdominal muscles along with working the glutes and thighs. Mountain climbers enhance calorie burn significantly due to their fast-paced nature, which accelerates metabolic rates, contributing to weight loss. How to perform. Start in a plank position with your arms straight. Engage your core and swiftly pull one knee toward your stomach. Immediately return that leg to the starting position while bringing the opposite knee in. Continue alternating for 20 to 40 seconds, aiming for 3 sets. Number 4. Jumping jacks. This aerobic exercise effectively promotes your heart rate and works your entire body. It's simple to perform and doesn't need any special equipment. Jumping jacks not only engage various muscle groups, including the glutes, quads, and abs, but also aid in weight loss by maximizing calorie burn, up to 10 kilocalories per minute or more when performed vigorously. How to perform. Begin with your feet together and arms at your sides. As you inhale, jump while spreading your legs wider than shoulder width, raising your arms above your head simultaneously. Return to the starting position and repeat. Perform 3 sets of 40 to 60 seconds. Number 5. Burpees. Burpees are recognized for their effectiveness in burning fat and working multiple muscle groups including the chest, back, shoulders, arms, and legs. This extreme movement helps boost metabolism, allowing your body to burn more calories, which aids in weight loss. Each burpee is a combination of several movements: squat, push-up, jump. How to perform. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat position, then swiftly transition to a plank position by pushing off the floor. Perform a push-up, jump back into a squat, and leap up with your arms overhead. Go for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Remember to check out additional videos on the channel for more tips and exercises. Your journey to a flatter stomach starts now.